Have you ever wondered what it would be like to drive one of the world's fastest and most exotic supercars? The Lamborghini Aventador is an automotive work of art that pushes the limits of performance. Introduced in 2011 as the successor to the iconic Murcielago, the Aventador turns heads with its sharp angles and fighter jet-inspired design. Under the hood lies a ferocious 6.5-liter V12 engine, putting out 690 horsepower, rocketing this bull from 0 to 60 mph in under 3 seconds, on its way to a top speed of 217 miles per hour. All that power is transmitted to the ground via permanent all-wheel drive and a responsive 7-speed automated manual transmission. But it's not just straight-line speed that makes the Aventador special. Its sophisticated push-rod suspension system and rear-wheel steering allow it to carve up winding roads and handle like an exotic sports car half its size. So would you be tempted to own Lamborghini's cutting-edge flagship supercar, turning every drive into an event? Let me know what you think in the comments.